Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the family. So let's get begin. First, I draw the mom.
Butter, silver, nutmeg, and a golden pear. The King of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree. Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear.
The second family member I'm going to draw is baby. Yes, baby.
I said, so fair a princess never did I see. I'll give you all the fruit from my little nut tree. I danced o'er the water, I danced o'er the sea, and all the birds in the air couldn't catch me.
The third family member I'm going to draw is the father. Yes, friends. First, mom. Second, baby. Then third, we are going to draw his father.
Pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair.
The father had beard on his face.
Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow?
For the fourth, I'm going to draw the younger sister. Yes, friends. The family have one younger sister.
Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down.
Now, it's time to draw the bingo. Yes, the family members have bingo in its family.
Of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down.
Friends, the last member of family we are going to draw is brother. Yes, friends, the family have 6 members in his family.
He did a bit of a cat and a fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with a spoon.
Now, friends, it's time to color the family. Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.